Hi friends, welcome back to once again. Today we will learn how to convert handwriting to text in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to convert handwriting to text in this presentation. Create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and insert a text box. Now we insert a text box and click right button on our taskbar. Then check mark on the show touch keyboard button. Then open the touch keyboard button on our taskbar. Then click the settings option and choose the handwriting setting. Then write on our mouse using this pen. Now we can see we convert handwriting to text very easily. I hope you understand this process and enjoying the video very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching the video.